To insert a memory card or microSD card into POCO C85, first of all, we need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. We also have this SIM tray hole, so I'm gonna use the eject tool and I'm gonna put it into this SIM tray hole. Your eject tool should be, for example, found inside the box of the phone. So we're gonna put it in and then use a little bit of force to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. And when you want to insert the microSD card, then most likely you don't have to remove the SIM tray completely. As you can see, we can reveal the the memory card slot completely, fully, without having to remove the SIM tray from the phone, at least completely from the phone. So in this case, we can just simply put it into the spot into its slot. As you can see, this is how it goes in, and just slide it back into the phone. So as you can see, it's really easy. You don't have to fully remove the SIM tray from the phone, and that's all you have to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.